How to connect PayPal to Twitch. I'm going to show you how you can easily receive your Twitch donations by connecting your PayPal to your Twitch account. To get started, go to twitch.tv, enter your email address and your password, and then click Login. Then, click on your profile picture, which can be found on the upper right side of your homepage. And then, click Channel, and it will direct you to your profile. Scroll down and select Customize Channel. Then scroll down until you reach the bottom of your screen. Under the Social Links section, you can see the link title and the link URL. Paste your paypal.me link, and then on the link title, you can type in link to my PayPal. And when you're done, just click Add. Now, your subscribers can use the link to donate on your Twitch channel.